Good morning. Hi guys. Welcome. Oh, yesterday was, I have to update you guys about yesterday. Um let's start from, I woke up at 4:30, 5 o'clock in the morning, 3 floors, no lift, getting luggage down on me. Then we have like a 10 minutes walk, but with the luggage it becomes 20 minutes. Then we do not have any escalators or lift, so few steps, again 2 bags, doing it one by one. So एक बैग को नीचे ला रही हूँ, फिर स्टेप्स करके ऊपर जा रही हूँ, इवान वहाँ पे है, फिर इवान को नीचे भेज रही हूँ दूसरे बैग पे, और फिर वो वाला बैग लेके आ रही हूँ. Line 3, took metro line 3. Then we had to change for RERA. So at Opera, we come down, there's like a zillion escalators, steps, mix walk towards the RERA. Then we take RERA. Then we go to Gare de Lyon. Basically Paris Lyon station. Then we board the train to Annecy. We reached Annecy and our check-in was at 4 o'clock. We reached at 10:30. So found a nanny bag. वहाँ पे अपने दोनों bags register करा के रखवाए. And we are doing the day, having lunch, did some pedal boating. We are tired and exhausted because we are awake since 4:30, but we do not have any option. So I take Ivan to library. While I'm reading, I'm literally falling off. इतनी नींद आ रही है मुझे. So we go for waffle and coffee, which was amazing, really yummy. After that, we get a message that your room is ready. So we go to pick up the luggage. We reach here and we learn that our Airbnb is on the 3rd floor and there is no lift. So now I have to pick these 2 bags one by one, 3 floors. Wow, yesterday was a beautiful challenge. It was so empowering to do it all. It was so exhausting. My right hand hurts. मेरे literally elbow में दर्द हो रही है. I am going to start weightlifting. That's my next thing. My fitness level has gone really like up. So all the workouts were paying off, because while I was struggling with the weight, but I could manage it. I wasn't exhausted. I could do it. But definitely I have to get my hands on weightlifting next. And then we enter this Airbnb, which is like the most beautiful little, it's not little, most beautiful huge space in comparison to what our Airbnb was in Paris. This is right now our bedroom. As you can see, we have an attic window, which is so pretty. So when you lie down, you can literally see the sky and the stars, which is like one of the most beautiful things. I used to have an attic room when I used to live in Paris for a year. So this reminded me of that experience. That's my bedside. So this is basically the bedroom. I'm gonna take you out, but Ivan's playing TV, so I gotta get that. Gonna take you out in a minute, because with TV I can't vlog. I'm just so happy I did it. Just wanted to sit and update you guys. Yesterday was one of the most beautiful, empowering experience. When you travel alone and you have to do things alone, कहीं पे card stuck है, work नहीं कर रहा, फिर आप figure out कर रहे हो, कहीं पे खाने की जगह ढूंढ रहे हो, then there is a child that you have to feed all the time. You have to make sure that the child is having enough water, fruit, then also make sure that we are seeing things. It's so many tabs in one go for a person, and the fact that I'm doing it by my own is very empowering. So I'm very happy about that. We are going to go in a bit and see Annecy. I'm going to show you the Airbnb, and I'm gonna vlog with you guys today. I don't know how much because I wasn't able to charge the battery of this, and we're gonna leave in like 15-20 minutes, so I don't think so it's worth putting it for charging for 10-15 minutes. But I'm gonna vlog as much as I can, and gonna vlog tomorrow as well. So you're gonna get one Annecy vlog. Woo-hoo. This is the second leg of our trip. Bahar washing machine bhi chal rahi hai. They have washing machine. I'm washing my undergarments and socks and Ivan's undergarments and socks. So we're going to be sorted because this trip needs some laundry out of our socks and undergarments at least. Okay, gonna see you. Actually, I may take you guys outside now because Ivan's gonna get ready. Let's go. देखो, अगर आपसे stand fix होता है तो guys, this is our Airbnb in Annecy. What you see behind me is the beautiful kitchen. This is from where you enter, and when you enter, this is what you see. It's full of our mess, which is okay. We are living here right now. This is the living room. But what I want you to see, which we literally love, is the view. Look at that beautiful view. Let me take you guys outside. Wow. This is the little space that we have that's passing. I don't think so. It's a river, maybe. It's pretty cold. Like one has to wear a jacket out here. इतनी ठंड तो है. हमारा अम्ब्रेला पड़ा हुआ है कल का. इवान, आपकी जैकेट भी ऊपर है या नीचे है? अच्छा नीचे. I see it. This is the attic from where you go up, and this is the bathroom. हमारे कपड़े धुल के यहाँ पे गए, मुझसे stand हुआ नहीं, so we're gonna keep it like this. This is another living room. इवान से hi. इवान, आपका नाइट सूट फ्लोर पे पड़ा है, उसको उठा के सोफे पे कर दो. I care. आपने पहनना है ये. Oh, and that's the bed. Let's go. Are we leaving? Yes? Yeah? Duh. Duh, duh, duh. I'm gonna put on my jacket. Let's go. Maneuvering yourself. Oh, wow. Oh, nice. It's so pretty. Look at that, the blue. Camera is not catching it. Yes. Hey.
What's that red thing?
What red thingy? That looks like a piece of cloth. Oh, that ducky! Did you see that?
The ducky came from above and then.
Yeah. You know? Oh, cute little ducky. Wanna eat something? Then we go.
No, I wanna go to the lake.
This probably is my 100th croissant, guys, and one of the things that now I love, I don't like the cup he has given it to me in, is espresso. This is not an espresso cup.
Yeah.
He gave me espresso in a cappuccino cup. I don't like that, but it's
That's
okay. I forgive him.
That's just weird.
Yeah. But I've grown fond of espresso in this trip. And Ivan's having pina pesto. I'll pronounce it correctly this time.
Yes. You did.
Yesterday, it was raining and I got so scared that it's going to rain tomorrow as well.
And now?
The sun is out. Which is exactly what we wanted. So we're kind of very happy about it. Ivan, you're not coming in my plane.
After our food, we're gonna go to the lake and do some boating.
Today we planned, yesterday we did like 30 minutes because it started raining.
But today we're gonna do an hour, which is for 25 euros.
Wow.
At where,
Do you need my help?
yes, at where we went yesterday.
I was gonna say, wow, you remember how much it costed us? Your tissue is gonna fly, hold it. Go get it. Now the slip is going to fly. Just keep it under my coffee. You're not picking up my coffee plate. I don't think so. I think you can eat it like this. I cut that one for you. I'm taking a bite.
You should take a bath.
Oh my god. This is too good. I should have got that too.
Instead of croissant.
Instead of croissant. How's it? Can I have one more bite?
Just don't have the cherry tomato.
That's what I want.
That pesto sauce is different.
Do you like it?
Amazing.
Me too. It's so good.
Remember when you made me pesto?
मेरी वाली तो फेल हो गई थी. I did not make a good pesto.
You didn't have to touch.
This is awesome. To be honest, guys, as much as this is awesome, I love watching the sky. Because look at that color. Camera तो half ही capture कर रहा है sky. है ना? The color is too pretty. This is exactly what we need after lifting zillion kgs. If the sun is out, why not?
Cloud bed, cloud bed, cloud bed.
Guys, you have to see what we are doing. Hey, let's pedal a little for you guys. We stopped, but we can pedal for you guys and take you around. I'm gonna go left and then further away. You okay? Why are you holding my bag? Oh yeah, this thing. Now it's better. Hey! Hi guys! Look at Anasty and Ivan. This is amazing. So apparently we can swim. I'm not sure how cold the water is.
I know.
How cold the water
It's cold.
is. Yeah, if the sun is out. Isn't it? Or do you think we can do it even without sun? This is for what I work out, guys. To keep up with my 9-year-old is a hard job. We have 1 hour pedaling thingy going on right now. As you can see, I am already breathless. And Ivan is just chilling. How much are you pedaling? Or is it just me pedaling?
Please put your feet off the pedal.
No, I trust you. I don't want to do that. I trust that we both are pedaling, Ivan. Whoa. I'm taking you to the far end. Yeah? Wanna go? Wow. Good workout. Amazing workout. And the sun is out. This is exactly what we wanted. Yesterday, when we did the pedal thing, he took my Aadhaar card and he said when you come back, you give the boat, you get your Aadhaar card back. Yesterday I had my big backpack, so I had Aadhaar card with me. Today I came with my small backpack and I forgot to take my Aadhaar card with me. So once we reached the lake, तब मुझे याद आया कि उपसी यहाँ तो आधार कार्ड लगेगा. And I got very disappointed that we will have to go back all the way. Ivan and I would have to walk all the way back to Airbnb, which is like 15 minutes walk. But look how everything is working in our favor. एक तो आज हमें better boat मिली, partially it is electric. दूसरा हमको आधार कार्ड नहीं देना पड़ा. मोटर बंद हो गई ना इसकी. I have my hands on it.
टाइट होना चाहिए.
क्या होना चाहिए? टाइट ही है. Ivan, we can chill here for a bit. See, दूर दूर तक कोई नहीं है. It's just us. And look at that view, Ivan. Guys, that's our view. How pretty is that? This is what we came for. Are you planning to jump, Ivan?
No. I would not.
You would like to jump?
But I don't have to.
Yeah. Maybe tomorrow the sun is out, we wear our costumes and come.
We wear our costumes under.
Yeah.
And like on the board.
Yeah.
I take off my
T-shirt.
t-shirt
And then jump. We take the slide wala pedal. Go, Ivan. Ivan's good, guys. Ivan's gonna do something. You see, wait. You see this? That's a guy. Excuse me. Can we get some water, please?
Of course.
Yeah.
Like that?
Yeah. Thank you. Ivan's getting his coin out. Coin out?
30 cents.
Okay.
Did I try to kind of scare them?
You have something in your teeth. It's still there. It's like a black thingy.
Bonjour.
Bonjour.
Bon choupeau, c'est pour
Thank you.
Bonjour madame, voilà pour vous.
Okay. Thank you. You want? Here we go. Got it. Did you manage to scare him?
Yeah.
You did? You did manage to scare him?
So I come to him.
Yeah.
He's like saying hi to somebody.
Hmm.
I'm like, and he's like,
You did.
I scared the scarer.
That's cheeky. Cheers, guys. This is for the mama. We are currently having crab. I'm very hungry because I did not eat that pizza. Ivan had that pizza. Can you see it, guys? There was a very beautiful yellow and red helicopter out there. Okay, this is good. So we've got a spot on in the shade next to the beautiful scenery out here, and runs out to get our crab. Yeah, I was sharing how I'm very hungry now because I did not have that pizza, but I want to have that crab. I'm excited for that. आज शाम के लिए हमने कल मार्केट से स्पेगेटी खरीदी थी. So today we might do a dinner at the Airbnb. I'm excited about that as well. I'm excited about everything. There's just, it's established fact now. Look at that view. Hello. And that's my boy. So that's Ivan's crab, and this one right there is my crab. Ooh! Do you want to do a crab cheers?
Yeah.
Wait. Can I get both of us?
Feels like Bonaparte.
Bonaparte? You. Bonaparte. Bonaparte.
Bonaparte.
Bonaparte. This is my first crab. I have not Ivan. This is Ivan's 100th crab. This is my first crab. How's your crab? It's too good. Guys, you won't believe what we are doing after this. There is a cache 140 meters from here. We are going to do that after this. The good sugar high before cache, Igu.
Yeah.
Mmm.
Yours doesn't have any direct sugar.
The Nutella. I have to pee. And there was no toilet at the crepe place, and we're doing cache, and we think it's on the -1 floor. Let's see. Ivan, where do you think it is?
-1.
After this we go somewhere where I can pee. Ivan.
Yeah.
Did not press the button, buddy.
There is no button.
There it is. And now the lift. It's so funny. See, people, you must be doing touristy stuff in Annecy. We do touristy and cash, thanks to Catherine. I've been told to stay quiet. Ivan! Not when the car is being parked. You don't run in the parking. No. No. Not even for fun. $5.56. What do we want here? 5.
576.
Okay.
579.
I found it, guys.
Yo.
Yeah, do your entry.
It's like the same container.
Yeah, do your entry. Will tell me if it's cold or not. Guys, you can call us crazy because look what we are here to do. I think the water is really cold and Ivan is underestimating it, and the sun's also gone, but look at that, he has literally left his clothes here and what happened, Ivan? It's cold. He literally made me change my clothes so that we do this. I had to literally change. Let's see. What do we have here? It's cold. The water is really cold. Europeans can do it because for them this is not cold. They are so used to of like good extreme cold. We on the other hand, oh my god, my son, he is cold but not ready to come out. I've called him multiple times. I have literally told him that we have more trip and we don't want to be falling sick, but well, and we walked 1.2 kilometers, walked 1.2 kilometers for this boy who wanted to come to the beach. Clearly Ivan is a water baby. Wow. Ivan!
My body has acclimatized.
What?
My body has acclimatized, so now do not interrupt me. Bye bye, I'm going out.
Wow, he stayed in the water for like good 10 minutes saying I'm climatizing my body, and now he's come back to tell me that now my body has climatized, so do not call me back. Yeah, Ivan's a beach baby, clearly. I'm a beach person and a water person, but I can't do this cold water. I mean I can, I don't want to do this cold water. It's not worth the effort to get all wet. No, I'm just waiting to dry myself up, and that's about it for me. If only somebody could get my son out. Hello guys, we are back. We had decided that we will cook dinner together today. Actually, अगर हम इतनी बड़ी किचन का स्वाद ना उठाएं तो it's not fair, isn't it, Ivan? Table clear कर रहे थे आप. Go. So we are making arrabbiata. And after dinner, are we going for little ice cream?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, we're going for some gelato.
We're going for some gelato and walk.
Yeah.
The weather is really good today.
Across the Anderson.
What was the?
Walk across the Anderson.
Yes.
Get
Walk
it?
across the.
Anderson.
Can you do more of it?
No.
Why not? Ivan is now tired because of the cold water which he wanted to go into. Just those things there, wet wipe ka packet and my shades. That's it. Table clear, set for dinner. Thank you. Do they have glasses for my Prosecco?
Yeah.
They do. Do you want Mogu Mogu in wine glass?
Just put that back. They've got better ones.
For better ones. I don't like this one. No, I don't want that one. It's very dirty. It's for decoration. This one's clean. Do you want your Mogu Mogu in wine glass?
No.
Okay. I need spatula.
And luckily,
Yeah.
we're not going to have any oil in our pasta.
नहीं मैंने इसमें डाला ना ऑयल पास्ता में.
कैसा?
इसमें है नीचे ऑयल. आई एम नॉट श्योर कैसा है बट मैंने थोड़ा तो डाल लिया. नीचे देखो. मैंने रिस्क इट फॉर द बिस्किट कर दिया. अब मैं वो हरकत कर चुकी हूँ. थोड़ी सॉस और करूँ? आई थिंक थोड़ी कम है. यू वांट इट सॉसी?
Yeah.
मी टू.
Nice and saucy.
आई थिंक दिस इज गुड.
Yeah, that's good.
इसको फ्रिज में रख दो. हमारे Van, we forgot to get milk for you for morning frosties. Oopsie daisy. Franprika और mono. We can get it from our nanny bag. वो 10 बजे तक खुली है. Vival. Vival नाम था. क्या नाम था?
Bible.
Vival. If you want. Do you want?
No.
इतना अच्छा सनसेट होने वाला है. कल तो यहाँ बारिश हो रही थी तो कुछ भी नहीं दिखा, लेकिन आज यहाँ इस घर के पीछे से ही सनसेट होगा. बैटरी जा रही है मेरे व्लॉग की गाइस. अब हम कल मिलेंगे. इवान और मैं जा रहे हैं अपने डिनर के लिए. सम होम डिनर with some view is what we are gonna do. We can actually open this and get some fresh air. Do you wanna? Wait. इसको मैं थोड़ा साइड कर दूँ. Ow. There you go.
Fresh cold air.
Fresh cold air with some spiders and spider webs. Hey spider.
I don't think they can see us.
No, नहीं दिख रहा है. ये देखो.
Can you? Oh yeah.
Yeah. Guys, थोड़ी देर पहले मैं यहाँ धूप में बैठी हुई थी. It's just so beautiful. Everything is so beautiful. Okay. See ya tomorrow. Ivan, say bye.